If you are a beginner artist that wants a fun drawing course to get you started on your drawing journey, then this is specifically for you. In my many years of teaching art, I have found that the biggest challenge is just getting new artists to draw consistently. That is why this course is heavily focused on real-time demos so we can draw together. This way you can develop your drawing habit with me as your companion. First, we will go over the very basics, the building blocks of drawing, then apply it to drawing faces and figures. If you're watching this, then you clearly have some interest in learning. So why not make a bet with yourself? Make a bet that you can learn how to draw while having fun with it. I believe in you because I had zero natural drawing ability when I started, so I know that anyone can learn. I would be honored to help you get started on what I think is the best hobby the world has to offer. But I will admit that maybe, just maybe, I'm a little bit biased. I'll see you over in the course when you are ready to make that bet with yourself because I know you can learn how to draw.